Today we will learn CC effect. First we will go to effect and preset and we will search CC light flip and leave it on the text layer. See here there is a light that we will place this light wherever we want. Then we will come to the center. Let's turn on the keyframe here. This effect will come as far as we give it. I give up here. If I run it, now it will look like this.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.